If you want to make your videos look more professional and encourage more people to subscribe, adding a subscribe button in CapCut on PC is a really simple trick that can make a big difference. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a subscribe button to your video in CapCut on PC step by step, so you can place it neatly on your timeline and customize it to fit your content. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and load the project you want to edit. Once your video is on the timeline, look at the top toolbar and find the Stickers section. Click on Stickers to open CapCut's sticker library. This is where you'll find different visual elements you can add to your video, including subscribe buttons, bell icons, and other call to action graphics. Now use the search bar and type in subscribe or bell icon. CapCut will bring up different sticker options related to subscribing. Take a moment to browse through the available choices and pick the one that matches the style of your video best. Some buttons are bold and animated, while others are simple and clean, so choose the one that looks good with your branding and overall editing style. Once you find the subscribe button you want, download it and then drag it directly onto your timeline. Make sure you place it on a new track above your main video layer. That way, the button appears on top of your footage instead of replacing it. Positioning it on a separate track is important because it keeps your editing organized and makes it easier to adjust later if needed. After the button is on the timeline, you can control how long it appears on screen by dragging the edges of the sticker clip. If you want the subscribe button to show for just a few seconds, shorten the clip. If you want it visible for longer, extend the duration by pulling the edges outward. This gives you full control over when viewers see the call to action and how long it stays on screen. You can also use the preview window to reposition and resize the button. Click on the button in the preview area and drag it to wherever it looks best on the screen. Usually creators place it in a corner or near the bottom where it does not block important content. If the button is too big, shrink it down so it feels natural inside the frame. If it is too small, enlarge it slightly so viewers can clearly notice it. Take a moment to preview the full section of your video and make sure the subscribe button appears at the right time and in the right place. This is a small detail, but it can really help improve viewer engagement and make your video look more polished. A well-placed subscribe button is a simple reminder that encourages people to follow your channel without being too distracting. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a subscribe button to a video in CapCut on PC using the Stickers tool, the search feature, and the timeline controls. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a huge difference in how your content looks and how many viewers choose to subscribe. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.